Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell for notification.
If you feel that you might be missing out on something, we are sure there is another reaction channel with Chantel's video, in its entirety.
Hold on, guys. Let me just set this up nice. Alright, we're back! We have some wings, and extra large, just pepperoni, no extra cheese. I'm just feeling normal. Everything today, I have honey mustard, creamy garlic, and blue cheese, and some hot sauce. My ring is too big, actually. Now, that's weird. So I'm going to take it off because it keeps sliding down. It's uncomfortable.
Didn't you have a fifth sauce, or was that a roast flavor? Oh yeah, there's the other one.
Oh, and sweet chili. I'm glad you keep track of these things. Sweet chili. Sweet chili sauce. Alright, guys. Alright, so you do this half, I'll do this half. Go ahead. Sorry I'm in your way.
Beauty bite! Let's try all the dips today.
Thumbnail, yeah.
Grub time.
Alright guys, thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Bye!
Assuming she gets out of the way.
No, you can still say bye. You're in view.
Yeah. I was saying, like, they'll see us in the next video assuming she's not in the way.
Oh yeah!
Bye.
Beep!
Flip,